episode.
No, I don't want to do
I'm
it.
already on record. Hi, everybody. I need to take a second to think. Cut right. Second.
Hi everybody, my name is Jennifer Hudson. I just want to tell you guys, I like fried chicken. And
It tastes so good. You know when your mama be putting the flour on that joint and then she be seasoning that joint up. Ooh, that's right.
Now one thing I gotta tell about Sheree. Girl, my mama cooked up this fried chicken yesterday, right? Girl, she put the seasoning on that joint, man. She made it good. I mean, I beat that chicken.
But no, girl. We talking about fried chicken. We gotta talk about them barbecue ribs. You know.
Girl, tell me why my mama cooked this baby real with it. My mama cooked that mashed potato, girl. They were white.
The joints was white.
I know, girl. And I was crying yesterday because I felt them fall out the sky. And girl,
Girl.
when my mama put that on that plate, I put some salt on that joint, and it was.
Girl.
Why, Shirai? Why?
Girl. Barbecue ribs not supposed to be white. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Girl, they supposed to be brown.
they supposed to be. Mashed potatoes is supposed to be white. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright. Now play it.
Oh. Cut. No, cut. Okay, this is my friend.